So for the second question, we see that the input of the value, or Vn, is the peak is 5 and negative 5. And for this circuit, the fundamental idea, it's Vn right here. But the fundamental idea is to determine when the diode of these two are on and off. So when it's in the positive part of the Vn, it's D1, diode 1 is off because the anode is greater than the cathode, and diode 2 is on. And from that, we calculate V out. So using KCL, we find this equation and find that the V out is 0.3 volts. And for the negative cycle, we see that this is on because the cathode is less than the anode. So, but then for D2, it's off because the negative value means the cathode is greater than the anode. So this diode is off. And because none of these is either diodes, they're diodes, there's no reverse. So D1 is on, D2 is off, and from that we use the equation once again we use from the first cycle, and then we see that the value is negative 4.7, and the graph is shown as right next to it.